Hey guys, it's Miss Fiero. I just wanted to give you some tips and tricks about doing a Google search. So here's a standard Google page. If you were doing something in biology about cells, I know many of you guys would just go to Google and hit cells. And as you know, Wikipedia will typically be the first website that pops up. So on a side note, I want you to realize that for the most part, teachers are not wanting Wikipedia as academic sources or as a reference in your works cited. But if you need to refresh your memory or you just want to go read the article, nobody's telling you not to. You can read this information, but what we want you to notice is down on the bottom, there are some sources cited. So if you wanted to look through these references, these notes, this further reading, and some external links, this may be a way to get some different information for whatever you're studying. So if you're using Wikipedia, don't use the actual Wikipedia website. Scroll down and see what they have used in their references and their resources, and maybe that can help you find some more academic resources. So that's a little side note on Wikipedia, but let's go back to just using search terms. So one word like cells, you'll come up with different websites that you can go through, and we'll talk more about that later in another video about academic sources. But so there's cells. If you are using multiple terms in your search term though, you want to use quotation marks. So cellular biology, you would want to put quotation marks around it, and then that will help narrow your search. So instead of Google looking for everything with cellular and then everything in biology, it will keep those words together. It is also helpful when you're doing like World War I. Okay, so it will keep everything together and it will really narrow that search down for you. And one more tip I want to show you guys. So whether it's one word you have in here, let's say you're going to be doing women, and let's say World War II. Okay, so make sure just put everything in quotation marks like that, except for the word and. You can even take these out if you want for the word women. Okay, and let's see how that works. Women and World War II. We're keeping World War II all together. That's why that's in quotation marks. The and will make sure that women and World War II are kept together. Okay, and there you go. Okay, you've got Khan Academy, you've got Wikipedia, of course, and we're going to talk about some of these .coms and some of these other websites in another video. I wanted to keep this one short, so to recap, here's your too long didn't read. So here you go. Single search terms, just keep them by themselves. Okay, multiple search terms, put them in quotation marks, and it will keep those together. If you have two terms you want to search and you want to make sure that it's everything together, just go ahead and put the word and in the middle, and you should be able to narrow your search like that. So there you go. If you need any help, let me know. I'm in the library. You can email me, and I'm glad to help you anytime. All right, good luck. Thanks.